Alright, so this is going to be my presentation and demo of ShadowLoop, the video game I'm working on in Unity this week. So as you can see, we have, when you start up the app for the first time, you see this multiplayer screen. You can choose either to host, join, or disconnect. So this is basically a fully working multiplayer. It uses LAN, so that means someone on the same network, someone nearby to you, would be able to also host or join a game, and you'd be able to join their games. So I can click host game here, and as you can see, I can move around just fine. I can sprint, I can do little stab attacks, and also shoot little magic fireballs. There is collision. As you can see, that the core function of the game is just that. This progress bar, when it fills up, it brings the player back to their spawn position, and it creates a shadow that goes through all of the actions that they had previously done. And it just keeps going longer and longer each time. Eventually it does reach a cap of around 30 seconds, but there are still some issues with it. For example, the spells don't actually translate to the shadows in the build version. It does in the dev version just fine. It's just probably a resource linking issue. But here I can join the game here, and as you can see, there's a different one thing also is to be able to sync up shadows, but it works totally. You can see the other player just fine. You can clearly tell what the other player is and isn't, because they're gonna not be as transparent. But they can still do all the exact same things that the actual player can. One thing you can do is you can actually damage the other player. They die in one hit and they don't respawn at the moment, but something I'll be working on. But you can still do all the same. Everything is the same between them. Although this one doesn't have items, I should actually I can demonstrate the ability to use items actually. So let me do that real quick. Start up a second one. You can get up to 4 people going as well, but here you can host. So the current items that you have access to and you can use are, well, you can't use all of them at the moment. Right now you can do trap, you can do a shield. There's supposed to be a teleport scroll, which doesn't work at the moment, and you do have a bomb that you can throw, and it bounces around a little bit and it does explode. I'm working on getting the actual explosion to work for it, but and it does. Yeah, that's all I'm working on. That's some of the stuff I'm working on right now and plan in the future.